Cervical cancer is a type of cancer that occurs in the cells of the cervix, the lower part of the uterus that connects to the vagina. Various strains of the human papilloma virus is a sexually transmitted infection play a role in causing most cervical cancer. When exposed to HPV, a woman's immune system typically prevents the virus from doing harm in a small group of women. However, the virus survives for years, contributing to the process that causes some cells on the surface of the cervix to become cancer cells. You can reduce your risk of developing cervical cancer by having screening tests and receiving vaccine that protects against HPV infection. Symptoms: vaginal bleeding after intercourse, watery bloody vaginal discharge may heavy and have a foul odor, pelvic pain or pain